Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post movements on Mico. So let's get started. First, open your Mico application. Make sure you are logged into your Mico account. Now, tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the displayed name and then select Movements option. Tap on the Post button at the bottom of your screen. Now select an image. You can add multiple pictures too. Once you're done, tap on the Next button at the top right corner of your screen. Now enter a caption. Once you're done, tap on the Post button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can post movements on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.